Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make wonderful delicious Sri Lankan style devil fish. This is medium spicy dish, but if you are milder then add more tomatoes, ketchup to dilute the spiciness. Here I got basa fillet. You can do it with any types of fish. This washed and clean, cut into small chunks. First thing, I am going to marinate the fish. Little bit of black pepper, pinch of salt, some turmeric, just about 1/4 teaspoon, and paprika. If you wanted, you could use some chili powder for extra heat. Garlic powder, about 1/2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder. Little bit of malt vinegar. You can use any vinegar. Some lemon juice. An egg. Mix everything and leave it aside. Here I have bell peppers cut into big chunks. Red, yellow, orange. You can use any color. An onion. I got 1 red onion, 1 white onion. These cut into big chunks. Here I have chilies, green and red. I removed all the seeds, or you can add with seeds. It's totally up to you. I'm going to use cherry tomatoes cut into half, and you can use any types of tomatoes. Finely crushed 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger. I'm going to use basil, or you can use curry leaves. Now I am going to make sauce. 1/2 cup chicken stock. Tomato ketchup, about 4 tablespoons, or you can add more. Light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of malt vinegar. 1 tablespoon of honey, or you can add some sugar. One teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. Mix and leave aside. I'm going to deep fry this. Just before, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, mix everything. Now it's ready to be fried. So here I'll be preheating oil using vegetable oil. I am going to deep fry this for around 3 to 4 minutes until everything is golden color. Just add in slowly. This is after 4 minutes. It's completely done. Fish cooks very quickly, and you know it's ready when you see the golden color. I'm going to take this. Heat the pan. I'm going to add coconut oil because it gives more flavor. This coconut oil you can buy any supermarket in the UK, or you can use something else. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the pan. Then ginger garlic. Just fry these about 30 seconds. Now onion. Medium heat, cook for about 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. It's softened. Add chilies and bell peppers. Mix them all and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. Then tomatoes, pinch of salt, and remember you can add the salt to your preference, and mix it again. I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes, or you can add black pepper. Then fish straight in, and basil. Mix everything gently. Make sure fish doesn't fall apart. Now going to add sauce and gently mix it up again. That needs to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Nice little shake. This is after 3 minutes. They're completely done. Lastly, pinch of salt and turn off the heat. Now ready to serve.
What is it?
This is deviled fish.
Deviled fish. Nice. Very nice.
This is tasty and all of the flavor. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon, and you'll be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.